Hi everybody and welcome back. Today we are making s'mores cookies. So on a baking sheet and parchment paper, go ahead and put down graham crackers as your base. After the graham crackers are down, you're going to want to put chocolate onto the graham cracker, however much you want. We just did three pieces per graham cracker. You can do two, one, however many you want. After that, you're going to want to put marshmallows on top of the chocolate. So I smushed the marshmallows down a little bit. I thought it would be easier for the cookie to sit on and balance better. But you don't have to do it that way. I just thought it would be easier. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for the cookie dough. So I basically just smush it down more into a circle because essentially what I want it to do is to cook it over the whole graham cracker and kind of melt down over it as it's cooking. And I didn't know if it would do that without smushing the marshmallow and cookie dough. But while you're doing this, also make sure your oven is preheated to 375 degrees, and you're gonna want to cook it anywhere between 10 to 13 minutes. You can go a little bit longer too if you want your cookie a little bit more firm. I did it for 12 and they came out perfect. So yeah, putting them in the oven, and this is what they're gonna look like. Super easy dessert. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and try this out. Thank you for watching.